Samsung's latest software leak has revealed a fresh look at the upcoming One UI 8.5, and this time, something truly useful is on the way: priority notifications. This feature promises to make notification management smarter, cleaner, and more personal, all powered by Galaxy AI. For years, notifications have been both a convenience and a headache. Every day, dozens of alerts pile up, from messages and social media updates to game reminders and app promotions. It's easy for important messages to get lost in the chaos. Samsung seems ready to take that problem head-on with its new AI-based system that sorts out what truly matters. The latest leaked One UI 8.5 build shows the priority notifications feature actually working for the first time. Earlier leaks had mentioned it, but the function wasn't active then. Now, screenshots reveal exactly how it will look and behave once it rolls out to Galaxy devices. According to the leaked description, this new feature identifies notifications that might be important and moves them to the very top of the notification panel. These selected alerts are highlighted with a soft glow and a Galaxy AI-style gradient, helping them stand out from the rest. The overall layout looks clean and modern, keeping the notification shade organized instead of cluttered. What makes this even better is that Samsung gives users control over which apps can send priority notifications. It's not a one-size-fits-all feature. Each user can customize which apps deserve top placement, whether that's messaging apps, work-related tools, or social networks. Samsung also emphasizes that the AI processing for this feature happens entirely on device, not on the cloud. That means private alerts and personal data aren't sent to Samsung's servers. Everything stays on the phone, keeping user privacy intact, while still giving smart functionality. Now, why does this feature matter so much for Galaxy users? Because notification overload is a real issue for everyone. Missing an important message because it got buried under game alerts or delivery updates is frustrating and common. Samsung's goal with One UI 8.5 is to make sure that never happens again. This move isn't entirely new in the smartphone world. Google's Pixel phones already have something similar called Priority Conversations, which allows users to pin specific contacts so their messages always break through. Apple, on the other hand, uses focus modes and scheduled summaries, systems designed to reduce distractions by hiding less important alerts. Samsung's new approach seems to take the best of both worlds. It uses AI to predict what's important, but still gives users the power to manually choose what they care about most. This combination could make it one of the most balanced notification systems yet, if it works as promised. However, this feature might take a little longer to arrive. Reports initially suggested that Samsung would start beta testing One UI 8.5 by late November, but that timeline now appears delayed. It's possible that the stable release of One UI 8.5 will debut alongside the Galaxy S26 series, which itself is rumored to launch a bit later than usual. That means users may have to wait a few months before getting hands-on experience with priority notifications. Still, the anticipation is growing, especially for those who want AI to simplify everyday phone use without losing control over their preferences. Of course, some questions remain. Will Samsung's AI truly understand what each user finds important? Everyone's priorities are different. For one person, a calendar reminder might be essential, while for another, it's a friend's message that matters most. Samsung's inclusion of manual controls is a smart move here, letting users fine-tune the system if the AI guesses wrong. From the leaked screenshots, the feature looks visually appealing. Clean gradients, smooth organization, and easy-to-read sections. But looks aren't everything. The real test will be how accurately the AI can predict importance and how seamless the experience feels in daily use. Even with a hint of skepticism, it's fair to say this could be one of Samsung's most practical One UI updates in recent years. Notification clutter is something nearly every smartphone user struggles with, and a system that intelligently highlights what's essential could make a big difference in everyday convenience. If Samsung manages to get this right, the priority notifications feature in One UI 8.5 might set a new standard for how phones handle alerts. It combines smart AI prediction, strong privacy protection, and user customization, three things that modern smartphone users value most. With leaks showing the feature in action, it's clear Samsung is preparing to make One UI smarter than ever. The next big question is simple: when Galaxy users finally get their hands on One UI 8.5, will priority notifications live up to the hype, or just become another pretty but forgettable feature? Only time and the official release will tell.